Hey guys, Liam from Killer Inc here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Spektra Halo 2 crossover. Developed by the guys from FK Irons, the Spektra Halo 2 crossover is a rotary machine that handles it all, making changing from standard needles to cartridges even easier. So let's take a closer look. As the original Halo was such a well-loved machine, Spektra decided to update it and bring it back with a bang, resulting in its dual successor, the Spektra Halo 2 crossover. The Halo 2 crossover is designed to push both standard needles and cartridges, making it extremely versatile. It also features Spektra's MultiVise system, which allows you to use any grip on the market, whether it be those with a traditional backstem, for example, these RPG Click Ergo grips from FK Irons, or screw-on grips. There's no need for grommets or rubber bands, as the Halo 2 crossover comes equipped with a needle clip-on and stabiliser system. This machine offers both adjustable stroke and give. With 3 preset lock and stroke wheels, you can adjust the stroke from 2.8 to 3.4 to 4mm with ease. The redesigned cams allow for maximum torque and even less vibration. The adjustable give has been optimised for a flawless response with both cartridges and needles, and allows up to 4mm of give travel. The Halo 2 crossover is powered by a high quality Swiss Maxim motor that offers optimal performance. The body is anodised for durability and offers toolless disassembly for easy cleaning and maintenance. Engineered and manufactured in the USA, the Halo 2 crossover is available to order from Killer Inc in various colours via the link in the description below. So what are your thoughts on the Spektra Halo 2 crossover? Have you tried that out for yourself? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.